Silica gel, the ultimate protector for metal equipment. Against harmful corrosion? In the realm of metal equipment, the battle against corrosion rages on, and the unsung hero in this war is silica gel. This unassuming desiccant, with its remarkable moisture-absorbing abilities, stands as the ultimate guardian for your valuable metal tools and machinery. Whether it's the rugged tools of craftsmen, the precision of vehicle equipment, or the integrity of firearms, silica gel is the steadfast shield that keeps corrosion at bay. Silica gel's moisture-wicking prowess ensures that your metal assets remain pristine, extending their lifespan and reliability. It's the unsung champion in the relentless fight against the corrosive forces of moisture, ensuring that your investments endure the test of time. Discover how silica gel transforms metal equipment preservation into an art. More info, click the link in bio.